Hello everyone, I'm Adya from class 8 Kiamangalam World School, Greater Noida. Today I'm going to show you some activities which involves air pressure. Now what is air pressure? We know that air is pushing us in all directions all the time. But why aren't we feeling it? Because we are used to such type of atmospheric pressure. Now, we also know through science that air is matter and matter takes up space. So, in the first activity, you'll need an empty glass, and what I'm going to do with this glass is I'm going to suck in all the air from the glass. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to indicate my hand upwards, and when I'm blowing it, I'm going to indicate my hand downwards. So, let's begin. What happened? So what happened here is that when I was trying to suck up in the air from the glass had low air pressure, and the pressure which was outside the glass allowed my mouth region and the glass to get it touched only till the air pressure inside the glass wasn't increased. Now let's head over to the second activity. Now for the second activity, you'll need a preparation for the water mess. So I've taken a large bowl here. We'll take a glass and a cardboard which can fit the glass. And now we're going to fill the glass with 1/3 of water should be enough. Yeah. Now we're going to put the cardboard on the glass and press it a little. I'm just pressing it on the table so it's more comfortable. Press it a little. Now why I'm telling you to press it is that when we are tilting it, there should be less amount of water spilling into the bowl. So press it nicely, but not too hard so that the cardboard or index card becomes hollow when you're pressing it. Don't let that happen. So now we're going to put it upside down. In 3, 2, 1, go. So now what I'm going to do is slowly and steadily put my hands off the cardboard. Let's see what happens. Wow. So let me disturb this balance and then I'll explain what happened. So what happened is when the cardboard was like this, the air pressure which was down was putting pressure on the cardboard equally, so the water inside the glass was less in weight than the air pressure which was below the cardboard, which allowed the cardboard to stick with the glass while I was only holding the glass. Now let's move on to the third activity. The third activity is also a water mess activity, so be prepared. And now what I did is I took a plastic bottle and I did a little hole over here and inserted a straw. Now what we're going to do is fill in water which is not coming above the straw but below the straw and not equal to the hole. So the water should be below the hole. I think this much must be enough. And make sure the straw is in contact with the water. And then we'll need a balloon and we're going to blow up the balloon. Now we're going to twist the balloon's opening, but we're not closing it because we're going to stretch the balloon's opening over the water bottle's opening, and the action I'm going to explain to you after it's finished. So what basically happened was that when the balloon was filled up with air, the air pushed, it first untwisted itself, and the air pushed itself to the plastic bottle with pressure, which is air pressure, and then it forced the water to go against gravity and move out of the straw to allow the air to take space in the plastic bottle. So from the following activities, we learned that in the first activity, we learned that when the glass was in low air pressure, the high air pressure moved towards it so that my mouth region and the glass region could attach. So the high air pressure moves towards low air pressure. In the second activity, we learned that air pressure is in all direction, no matter downwards to upwards, upwards to downwards, sideways or diagonal ways. And in the third activity, we learned that when air pressure wants space into the plastic bottle, the air pressure forced the water to go against gravity into the straw and come out into the bowl. If you like these activities, please do like and comment and share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.